gymnastics and tumbling. What should we learn here? Saka tine magymnastics zvinosiyana nezvikoro, but zvimwe zvikoro zvitori nawo magymnastics, vanhu vanonge vachispina spina nekudididi. So tiri kuona panapa uyu ndiani ari kutamba bhora, and ndiLamine Yamal ari kutamba bhora, and you can see kuti akapfeka chi machine ake panapa, machine guard aya uri kuzviona, akapfeka machine guards ake panapa, shooters yake, akapfeka futi knee pads ake, mukuzviona ka, yeah, akapfeka uniform yake yakanaka. Then panapa we have vanhu vari kurova gymnastics, kustretcha kudidididi. Saka mitemo yatiinayo panapa yekutanga, kune yavari kuti sporting, handede, always have a spotter, your teacher or a trained classmate when trying new or difficult moves. Saka kana muchitraya new or difficult moves, you have someone who should spot you kuitira kuti kuri kuti madonha anokugamai. Saka sporting is very important. Then secondly, you have to use maths. Using maths is important because you always use safety maths under and around equipment, kuitira kuti musastretchera on the floor where you can have bruises or munogona kuzvikuwadza. That's important. Follow sequence, follow instructions. You have to follow instructions and follow sequence. Perform moves in the correct sequence as taught by your teacher. Hapadi kuti unyanye kufonyoka fonyoka zvausina kudzidziswa. Try kuramba kuteedzera chaizvo chaizvo zvavanenge vadzidziswa, because gymnastics kana kuti tumbling can be really dangerous. Saka please follow instructions uye follow sequences. Then this is important, no jewelry. And patiri kuti jewelry tiri kutaridza zvinhu zvakaita sema necklace, tiri kutaura zvinhu zvakaita sema earrings kana kuti mafinger rings, handiti, because especially a necklace can be really dangerous. I still remember I had a story yemukomana akaita magymnastics akapfeka rosary ikapotsa yamudzipa. Saka it's very important to know that you shouldn't wear any jewelry, absolutely no jewelry, as it can get caught or cause injury, kuna kudzipwa kana kuti zvakawanda zvogona kuitika. So please make sure you don't wear jewelry. Then you also have to check equipment kuti yakaitwa zvakanaka here. Your teachers will help you here. Ensure bars, beams and springboards are stable and secure. You might not have the expertise to do this, but your teachers will help you in this regard. Let us talk about swimming as our part D. Saka swimming yakambomira sei? Inangu handigoni kuswima. There might be some amongst you vanogona kuswima, but I just can't do that. So swimming, the first rule is never swim alone. This is so important. Never swim alone. Because if you swim alone, if there's an accident and the accident is drowning, no one will be there to help you. So always swim with supervision from a qualified instructor or a lifeguard. Never swim alone. Secondly, no running around the pool. Of course, we cannot be running around the pool. Pane mvura, it's a slippery place, mukona kudonha mukatokwara. Saka no running around the pool. The area around the pool can be slippery. Then no pushing or rough play and in the water. Saka no pushing or rough play in the water. Please no violence, no chikudo in the water. This can lead to accidents. So please don't do that. Then you also have to obey all rules. Follow all rules posted at the swimming pool. Saka mapool rules aya akamira sei. These pool rules are like you can see panapa. No lifeguard on duty. You understand? No running. Yatambotaura kuti no running around the pool. Ndo yakaiswa panapa. No diving. So you shouldn't dive. No pets in the pool area because most pets cannot swim. Most dogs cannot swim, so they can easily drown. No food or drinking, and no glass or alcoholic drinks. So you have to obey these pool rules which are posted here. Lastly, let us talk about using playgrounds and outdoor equipment. So we want to talk about outdoor equipment. What rules should we follow? Use equipment as intended and don't improvise. Shandisa my equipment as they are intended. So use equipment as intended. Only use swings, slides, climbing frames, etc. as they are designed to be used. So if it is a swing, ishandise basa swing. If it is a slide, do the same. If they are climbing frames, do the same. So use equipment as it was intended. Then chimwe chakakosha, it's 1 person per swing. Mukatoita va2 munogona kutokuwadzana, umwe akadonha paswing akakwara. When I was little, ndakambodonha paswing ndikatwara ruoko because of not following this rule. So 1 person per swing or per slide. Do not overcrowd the equipment. Then check for obstacles. So you have to check for obstacles. Please check for obstacles. Ensure the landing area under swings or slides is clear. Hapana mabhodhoro, hapana minzwa, hapana matombo ari sharp anogona kucheka munhu akakwara. Check for obstacles. Then we also talk about no pushing or shoving, no violence, no donkey play or chikudo, no pushing or shoving, especially on slides or climbing structures, because munhu akadonha anogona kutokwara zveupenyu hwake hwese. So this is what we intended to learn. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about injuries associated with the different physical activities, where we look at injuries and these are the consequences in part of not following the rules which should be followed.